Hey, I'm Analytical, and this video is not brought to you by Squarespace. We've been working on our website for the past few videos, and I'm going to show you now how to put it live on the internet. This tutorial is going to use the command line, but don't worry, it's not so scary. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, and perhaps in a few future videos, I'll go in more depth. There are tons of ways to host a website. There is stuff like Squarespace, there's GoDaddy, Google Domains. There are so many different pieces to hosting a website, but I just want to get this website we've been working on up and running quickly, and we can go into more depth on some of these other options later. The cheapest and easiest way to put your website on the internet is through Firebase. And you won't use a custom domain, but it will be free. And with other web hosting options, you could pay up to $120 a year for Squarespace or for Wix, and I'm telling you how to do it for free. So let's dive in. First, we're going to go to the Firebase website at firebase.google.com, and we'll click Get Started. And we want to create a new project. So we can name it really whatever you want. It just has to be unique and match the settings. We'll accept these terms, and we can just use all the defaults for everything else. If you're in another country, feel free to change the locations, but it shouldn't be an issue if you don't. Click Continue, and we will go into the dashboard. There's a lot of stuff on here, but we're just going to focus on putting our website up for the moment. Let's click Develop, and under there is a hosting option. Deploy web and mobile apps in seconds. Let's click Get Started. Here is our first command line command. There are 2 steps that we're going to need to follow in order to deploy this website. Install the tools and then deploy this. This command uses npm. So you're going to need to install this on your computer. I'll put a link in the description below. Download it, install it, and then you should be able to start running these commands. I'm going to open the terminal app. Let's make this bigger. We can check that we've installed it correctly with a node-v or typing npm-v. We're getting back the version number. That means we're all good to start deploying our website. So the one command you're going to need to know is the change directory command called cd. And this will bring us into whatever directory we want to go into. We want to navigate into the sickening website folder, and then we're going to run the commands in there. Like how we got those image paths, we can right-click this while holding Alt, we'll get the path name, or you can even just drag it in and you'll get the whole path. Click Enter, and now you'll see we're in sickening website. You can also type pwd, and that will tell you the current directory. So this lets us know we're in the right place and we can run our command. I'll put this on the side and put Firebase on the side. Now we're ready to run this command. We're just going to copy it in. This is going to install all the tools that are going to deploy this website for us. Now that should have installed successfully. First, we're going to log in. Use the Firebase Login command. Press Enter here. It will open in Chrome the Google login. I'll click to log into Analytical and allow the permissions. And now we're going to initialize the project with Firebase init. Here, wow, you can see it says Firebase up here, which is pretty cool they did that. I'll show you how to do that in a future video. It's going to ask us for a few inputs. So use the arrow keys to go up and down. And we just want to select hosting, so use space to select that. And then we'll press Enter, and we don't need to set up the default project. For the public directory, you type / and then press Enter. For the single page app, just press Enter, and now everything is configured. To finalize, we'll use Firebase Deploy. It says there's no project active, so we'll define a project as it says. So we'll we'll use -- project, paste it there, and then copy our project ID, which you can get in the URL right after project /. So Analytical's first website and then a few numbers. Yours is going to be different. I'll press Enter, and it's deploying. Deploy complete. Copy this URL, which is projectname.firebaseapp.com, and oh my god. I think we have to go to sickening_website.html. Yes! So, we've deployed our website to the internet. in just a few videos, with just a few commands, with just a little bit of code, we have made a real website. All the links will be in the description below. I know this is a little complicated, so if you're struggling at all, please leave any comments asking for help. Please send an email to theanalytical@gmail.com and I will make it as clear as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, smart ladies. We did it.